Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to make this cute nice bow. For this tree I will use crochet yarn 50 grams, 150 meters, and the size is about 4 centimeters, and crochet hook 1.7. and for the smallest I used crochet thread classic number 10 and crochet hook number 1. Let's start. Start from chain 6. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn, yarn over 3 times, insert the hook into the first chain and make double treble crochet. Work through 2, yarn over, work through 2, yarn over, work through 2 till the end. Repeat the same way 2 or 3 more times. 3 times yarn over on the hook, insert into the same first chain and make another double treble crochet. Ready? One more time. Now make 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the same first loop and make slip stitch. Half of our bow is ready. Now we turn and work on other side the same way what we've done before. 5 chain to bring up the yarn, yarn over 3 times, insert the hook into the same loop. See, we have it in the middle and it has hole already. And repeating all the steps. 3 double treble crochet into the same base loop. And once more. Now make 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slip stitch into the same middle loop, very first one. Ready? Cut the yarn, you can make it longer, pull up loop and work around several times. Pull it and tie on the wrong side. The bow is ready. You can cut the yarn or you can leave them. I hope this video was easy and helpful for you to make your nice project. Thank you so much for watching and see you later.